your boy Chaotic Kicks, aka Mr. I Rock Them Sneakers, man, and I'm back with another video for you guys, man. Listen, I need you guys to watch this video all the way through, as I will be discussing the pre-order for the Finishline and JD Sports app, as well as when the Air Jordan 1 patent Breds will be back on the Flex app, man, and also the ship to me option for the Flex app as well. But if this is your first time rocking out with your boy, man, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and also like and share the video so that more people come over here and be part of the Chaotic crew and get this dope information, man. But enough of that, let's go ahead and get into this video, man. First, I want to discuss the JD Sports and Finishline pre-orders for the Air Jordan 4 Red Thunders, man. It is rumored tomorrow that it will be going live around 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and whatever time zone that you are in, go ahead and figure that out. But I also want to let y'all know, just because you was able to get exclusive access early in the week doesn't mean that you can't get pre-order for these sneakers again, man. I know a bunch of people that was able to get exclusive access for the in-store and as well as get the pre-orders. I will let you know, if you are not an A-list member, bruh, because when it comes to certain sneakers, only A-list members get access to these sneakers, man. You know what I'm talking about? Like, I know when the Court Purple 13s dropped, I don't think you had to be an A-list member. They just gave it out to everybody. But I know for sure that when it came to the patent leather Breds and cool gray 11s, man, you definitely had to be an A-list member to get that sneaker, man. So the more limited the sneaker is, the less people they give a chance to hit. So make sure you're building those points up, man. That way you able to become an A-list member, bruh. Especially if you are getting sneakers in your area of this caliber, you dig? But let's go ahead and move on to the Flex app. Now, when it comes to the Flex app, man, I want to talk about the patent leather Bred ones first, and then I get into the ship to me option for both the Red Thunders and the patent leather Breds, okay? Now, when it comes to the patent leather Bred ones, it is announced that they will be back on the Flex app for January 19th, man. So go ahead and mark your calendars. That's when the sneaker will be going back on the app. They should be opening up the raffle here in the next couple of days or whatnot. So you definitely need to be following me on my other social media platforms, which is linked down in the description below, and I will let you guys know what's going on. When it comes to the ship to me option, man, for the Flex app, you definitely want to make sure that you're putting in for that, man, because if you're in an area like I'm in, they do have a bunch of resellers around here, but I got enough store in my area and they do get enough quantity for your boy to be able to take a W on their app, man. But not only that, listen, even when there's not sneakers dropping, man, the main thing you want to do is have points. You need to have those lifetime points. So you need to be spending money constantly, man, whether a shoe is dropping or not, if you want to win a sneaker for retail, man. So go and purchase you some joggers, socks, you know what I'm saying, even snapback hats or fitted hats, man. You know, anything that goes with the kicks that you're rocking, or whatever you already have in your collection, man, that you put on toes. Always use the head starts when it comes to the app as well. That way you got a better chance of hitting, whether you're gonna win in store or ship to me, man. Make sure you put in for all of it, especially if it's something that you really want. And like I said, you can do that for both pairs, man. You got a second chance coming, bro, for the patent leather Bred ones. And I heard that there's rumors that they will even do a Nike sneaker app release for these patent Bred ones again, man. But that's a rumor. I don't know how clear that is or whatnot, but I figured I'd still bring y'all the information, you dig what I'm saying? But y'all let me know, man, down in the comment section, how you feel about Air Jordan 4 Red Thunders, as well as the Air Jordan 1 patent Breds, man. You do have a second chance on Finishline and JD Sports for the Red Thunder 4 tomorrow with the pre-order, and you will be getting a second chance at the patent 1 leather Breds on the Flex app come January 19th, man. So until next time, man, it's your boy Chaotic Kicks, aka Mr. I Rock Them Sneakers, man, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Peace.